this is Ziad from Zetek channel, and welcome to this review. Actually, I just got this tripod here, and I want to share all the experience with you guys here. It's really amazing tripod, so let's get to it.
Canon 99H professional camera tripod, 61-inch portable compact travel, horizontal, vertical system, almost support almost all kind of cameras. It's made from magnesium aluminium alloy, folded height actually 43 centimeter, and maximum height it's 56 centimeter. The weight of it, it's 1.64 kilogram, and the maximum loading is 10 kilogram. So it's really something interesting to have. Of course, the feature of it transfers central column stand, 180-degree folded monopod ball head comes with it also. Locking type, it's lock button. As you see here in this picture, this is the monopod. Just release it, sweep it out, and just get the center column of the tripod, and release also this bottom down, and then you can put it on the monopod leg, and you will get actually monopod. Because it's really handy actually when you are on travel or something like this. You don't need to have a lot of things to carry on, so just like 2 or 3 in one on just one tripod. And as you see here, now you have actually tripod, and it's not heavy also. And as you see here, this is the height of monopod. Of course, as you see here also, he just like 1.37 m, so he's like almost maybe, I don't know. Let's go to a quick release plate. As you see here, comes with this screws and with this small ring around it, so you can of course control the screws of it via this ring. Have many options to do it. Of course, you just can slide it inside the ball head tripod, and and you can also actually very quick and easy release it from the ball head. Of course, if you open this screws here on the wide range. And here also, as you see here, the water balance, it's also really handy. You have 2 of it, then you must to get actually your point 100%. And this one actually is to lock the tripod, and this one you can, when you release it, of course you can move the ball head actually vertical on it. And this one, it's also to get the angle on the ball head and on your camera, as you see here. And the movement of this tripod is really super smooth and very good. I really like it. And as you see here also, to get a shot in horizontal way, you have this central, as I mentioned before, central column stand. You can put it in this way, and it's really amazing. I was looking for this tripod with a good price. Of course, that's what make you interesting for anything. A good price, a normal price, a fair price that all users can buy. And of course you can just screws it from this side, of course, and then you have two ways to save your moment. As you see here, there is no scratches, because here they are so clever. They put it not very directly on the columns, then you don't have the scratches. And here in this one, it's just twist the lock and you can fold it and make the tripod taller or smaller, and with this grip, because most of tripods you don't have this one, and that one actually, you know what I'm talking about, might be gonna in just a mistake and just break it. And as you see here at the end of the leg you have a rubber foot, and here also you can see the sponge jacket on the foot tripods. I don't know what is this and why they maybe people use it, but it's exist, so you need to do or to handle it. And this is two small wrenches. Actually you can use it to make this fast, and also you can use this for the ball head because you have two sizes, it's not one size. It's really good. This one, let's talk about the bag. The bag, it's also, as you see here, it's might be I don't know. This is the logo of the company here, and as you see here, the strip of the bag, you can of course put it on your back and you are just ready to go. And the strip also of the bag, it's really, yeah, good. I mean, it's not something bad. Here also we have a multitasking bag. It also comes with the tripod, and here also you have, as I mentioned before, two small wrenches and VIP card. Of course, it's not useful until you have like a creative idea to use it. And here, of course, we have, as we know, the product manual. Or the guide manual, how you can use it, and explanation about everything in this tripod, As I mentioned before, it's 180 degree, so you can really fold it and compact, as I mentioned before, the whole tripod, and you can put it in any way that you like. And it's when you do it, when it just comes from the manufacturer, it's just like, I believe it's not something like 48. In this way it's 48 centimeter, so it's really small. So, and this is also the hand strip, you can get it from this side.
That's it guys, pretty much. Thanks a lot for watching, and please, if you like my video, like, share, subscribe, of course, don't forget that. And be sure also to check the previous video on my channel. Might be you're gonna interested or find something interest to you. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.